Right, so this is the game. In case you're playing it on your phone, you might play it on a tablet, you can play it on your computer, desktop, different ways. But, just install it, and you can either click the link on my bio or on the video description and just set your account up. Or you can also do that from the app, and I'll show you how, but it doesn't change that much. I'll show you the step by step, so that didn't take long. Let's start the game. And I'm creating an account from scratch, so you might be seeing all of that, except for the passwords, because I don't want to put my passwords in public. I don't think that's a very good idea. Yeah, well, that's logged in my second account. This is not the one. Let me log out. There we go, back to the main screen. So in case you're creating an account from here, go there. Money with Games 2021. There we go. Over here, please type JFSV. That just helps me. I'll get a little bit back off your transactions. You won't lose anything, but the good thing is I'm gonna use the money that I'm making from this to do card giveaways and to do giveaways of dark energy crystals. And of course, I'm already preparing a giveaway for when I hit 500 subscribers. I'm going to be giving a Steam game, and there's a few different options. The winner will be able to pick from that. And to take part in it, all you need to do is simply sign up using me as a referral. Tell me your nickname, and you should be good to go. So let's get it rolling. Okay, gotta pause on this part. Obviously, I'll be back in 1 second. Don't be trying to get my password, you sneaky guys. There we go. We should be good to go. There we go. There's a tutorial here, which I'm skipping. And something good about this. What's an SPS airdrop? SPS is called Splinterlands shards. It's a currency of the game, and you're simply getting it by playing the game. Every day they're giving you a little bit. The more dark energy crystals you have, the more you get. So be sure to play the game. On the next video, I'm going to go over some strategies. I'm going to go over how to get to a next tier and how to actually start making money on it. So follow me, subscribe, like, you know the drill.